So right now I'm going to show you how to work with tags and categories in Alfresco. Right now we are logged in as administrator and we are in the management tools category management section. So here you can see a list of categories. Let's add a new one to it. Let's say lists. It says that the category has been added. Please wait a while. So if we refresh the page, then lists should be created. Let's go to documents, and here you'll add some tags to existing documents. So right now I have a document named list of students. It has no tags. I can simply add some new tags to it. Let's add lists. Alfresco, because I previously made the tag list, it will suggest it to me. But let's create a new tag and name it not document, something. It doesn't exist. If I simply press enter and save it, and if I refresh the page, at the left side we can see that the tag something and list has been added. So if I place a new tag student here and I click on student, it will show me all the documents with the tag student named on it. So right now let's go to the list of students and put it in a category. Let's go to the right side and manage aspects. As you can see, the aspect taggable has been added. Let's add classification. This allows us to put this document in certain categories. So now if we go to properties, edit, you can see we can edit the tags but also the categories. Let's put this document in the category list. And as we go back to our documents, we go to our document list of students, you can see it has been categorized as lists.